Hey everybody, this is DJ Flava with Planet Vehicle coming to you live and direct. We are here at the Washington, D.C. Convention Center for the Motorcycle Show 2020. Now check it out down there. We're looking at Kawasaki, Suzuki, Honda, Yamaha is here, Harley Davidson is here. I guarantee you, when you come down here, you're gonna have a great time. Watch what we have to talk about today.
As always, let's get the feed off of you guys. So if you're having fun, you guys put your hands together, make some noise, and welcome them right now to beautiful Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, Kyle Sliger. Look at that, already stalling off the fence. He's got a big smile inside that high guard helmet too. This kid not only loves long walks on the beach, but
keep watching right here. This is DJ Flava, live in Washington, D.C. at the Motorcycle Show right here on Planet Vehicle.